Hey there, Barndomania family. We have another new build for you today. It is a hot, smoking July day here in Mississippi, but we've got a beautiful home to show you. We're calling this one Austin's Place. We have this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, approximately 1,300 to 1,400 square foot home that we're going to show you today. This is a really awesome build. We looked forward to doing it for this family as it was for a couple and their son who has autism. So a lot of these things have been done to help him in his everyday challenges and to make life a little bit easier. So we went with the stained beams. Now we'll take you in to meet Rick.
All right, guys. Glad to have y'all back on another walkthrough, guys. This one has been special. This one has been special. This has been for a special family. They've gone through some stuff, and it's been, man, they've just been hardy in doing that. And this is going to be a video that I don't mind just talking about this stuff. Man, we have had a lot of opportunity to actually pray with this family and be with them through some stuff. And man, this is one I will never forget. We're calling this an Austin's Place, and it is truly Austin's Place. And we're thankful to be able to carry y'all through this thing now. It turned out really nice. It's a beautiful home. And you'll have to kind of mind us. We're doing a little bit of touch-up stuff right now, but it was our best chance of doing a video. So we're going to walk you through it. And as you can see, most all of these barn doors, we have this big open living area with kitchen. One of the dark gray cabinets with black. Got a nice island out in front here. We'll get you around there and show you that. Really neat way this thing moves around really good. It looks big. They have cool things that we do with farm sinks. All the big drawer cabinets on the islands like we usually like to do. Rather than a corner pantry, they opted for a pantry to the side here, and it is a big, nice pantry. The barn door, lots of storage there for them in that pantry. We'll move this into the house. This is only a 2-bedroom. This is going to be Austin's bedroom, and he's got a full bath with shower. If you notice that mirror, that's one of those cool touch mirrors. It's really neat. It has a defrost still. Got a nice big walk-in closet also with a linen closet in his bathroom. And right beside that, we've got the laundry room with tankless water here. It's just a big one, so we got plenty of hot water. We'll go down here to this other end. This is the end Mom and Dad are going to be kind of staying in. Of course, we've got another big bedroom here. And if you're wondering, this looks a lot like the anchor job it is. We took the anchor job and just made it a 2-bedroom rather than a 3-bedroom. Is what we did to give them the room we were looking for. Nice 2 vanity. Of course, toilet. And the tub for mom's shower, and again, another big walk-in closet. And so as we get done there, we'll walk out the back here. If you wonder, wait a minute, Anchor has a carport, a nice big carport. Well, so does Alex. He's got a nice big carport right here. I'll let you walk out on this. It's nice. Got 2 ceiling fans out here. Same cypress post beams and same ceiling. Alright guys, that's Alex's place. We get excited about it. He's fixing to get moved in and get to enjoying this with his mom and dad, and what a blessing guys. I want to take a time, I don't do this a lot, but I'm going to do it today. I want to take some time guys. This one has really made me think about it, but take some time today and thank God for what you have. Thank God for his blessings today, man. And just try to be nice to somebody today. Do some good. Thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one.